Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and we need to talk about how to make a graph that can show two different kinds of data at once. So if you look at this data set, I have an input value, that's fine. That's going to become my x-axis, but my y-axis needs to show two different things. So in column B, I have really large numbers, and in column C, I have really small numbers. So what you're going to do is select this entire data set, and then we're going to go over here and choose insert a chart. And you can also get that from the insert section here, insert and chart. Okay. And I do want this to be a line graph, but if you look at this, when this generates, it has I can see the big data easily, but the smaller data is very difficult to see if there's any kind of behavior there because it's such a small number compared to column B. So what we're going to do is click on Customize and then go to Series. And what we want to do is choose that smaller one, Output 2. In the lab we're going to be doing, it will be SFC or TSFC. So once we've got that selected, we can choose right here where it says axis. We're going to change that to right axis, and you can see it added different values on the right side of our graph. So now we have the output on this side, and or output 1 on this side and output 2 on this side, and that's a lot easier to read. So when you are doing this for me, make sure you move this graph where it does not overlap your data tables so we can see those together. And sometimes it helps to stretch these out a little bit to make them easier to see the trends. All right, that's how to do that.